Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mielle and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my super short hair really defined. So I'm going to be starting out on some freshly washed hair, and the first thing I'm going to do is apply some leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is from Smith. It's the Hydrate and Plump leave-in, and I find that it's super hydrating. I like using it on like freshly washed hair or when I'm refreshing my curls throughout the week, and then I will just massage that in. When I feel like my hair has really absorbed it, I will then go in with an oil. I have been using the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp Hair Strengthening Oil. It's infused with biotin and encourages longer, healthier hair, and that's strictly my focus right now. It is healthy hair, so I apply that to my scalp and I also apply it to the ends of my hair. Once I'm done doing that, I will go in with this Brazilian Salon line hair product. It's like a cream consistency, as you can see, and I just apply that to my hair and make sure I'm getting the front, the back, and the sides, making sure my whole head is covered in, because it is very moisturizing as well. And once I'm done applying that, this is when I kind of go in with this style, which is the hair gel. So I basically use the LOC method, especially when my hair is freshly washed, to make sure that I'm locking in moisture and I'm allowing my hair to get the product that it needs to encourage healthy hair growth. And then I will kind of focus on styling, and I will sparingly add some gel. I don't add a lot of gel to my hair because a lot of gel does make my hair flake, and because I don't wash my hair every day, when I go into refresh my curls, I just want to build on what I already have in my hair, if that makes sense. So I like to apply a small amount, that way when I'm refreshing my curls throughout the week, there's not really product buildup or any flaking or anything going on. So the tools you will need to really define your curls is this hair sponge, and I also like to use this comb. What I like to do after applying the gel is actually separate the front of my hair to kind of like shape my haircut to my face. I really find that makes a difference, especially seeing as my hair is so short. There's not much I could do with it right now, but I think I finally found like a shape that kind of fits my face or fits the shape of my head. And so that's what I do. And then I go in with the sponge and I kind of just rub it around my hair in the direction that my curls naturally kind of form. Just kind of take the sponge and rub it all around in a specific direction. Now I have an understanding of how my curls kind of form, what direction they form, so I will use the sponge to help just encourage that natural like curl, as if I was finger coiling. That's basically how you get your curls really defined with that sponge. And then afterwards, if you like to just like help the curls stand out a bit, what I like to do is just find an area that's kind of frizzy. For instance, let's say this area right here, and I will just twist it like this to help like define the curl in that area. And you can do that as well if you want. I just didn't show it because my camera died at this point. Once I'm done with that, I will either tie my hair down, let it air dry, or use a blow dryer. That's up to you if you have time to what style you're going for that day or how you're feeling that day. I just wanted to leave it out and let it air dry and do its own thing. So, but yeah, this is how my hair is looking. Back may still be frizzy. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, this is how I've been defining my curls using the sponge. It's only been 2 months since my big chop, and this is what my hair is looking like. This is what I've learned to do. This is how I've learned to style it in these 2 months. Again, I'm just super focused on moisture and hydration and the health of my hair right now. Yep, this is how I style my hair using the sponge. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.